Good night, teacher. University relation. We have maintenance study this exam. How are we going, Tuesday? I, I guess we won't sleep. Oh, yes. Leave me a book. Don't be afraid, my friend. I can prepare. I few hours later. What are you doing? Don't you see it? I am still studying. Thank you.